crystalline mirrors at every turn. Danger around every corner. Don't worry, I'll come find you after a few days.
Whatever.
Epic story of the Crystal Caves. Forged over centuries by glaciers and the Earth's secrets lost to time.
Discovered by accident and put fortune over 100 years ago, only to be sealed and hidden away once more for nearly a century.
And now, finally, intrepid adventurers may marvel at its exquisite beauty as they navigate the winding catacombs of
Come, let's go. That, okay. Okay, see the future.
Behold, the
Say hi.
potential eighth wonder of the water, conveniently located just below.
Say hi, go.
Home of
Go, go. Daisy, stay there.
Welcome to the greatest natural wonder in all of Niagara Falls.
Dun, dun, dun.
Frightful in the fall. You're terrified that a cat hungry
Actually, the face of it.
daring than a barrel ride over the horseshoe. The Crystal Caves is a mind-scrambling labyrinth of treacherous passageways. It's got ice and crystal. One false move and you're lost forever. One scream, you'll bring the whole cavern down around you. Enter if you dare. Greetings, intrepid victims. Visitors. Welcome to the legendary Crystal Caves.
Let's go.
Is this your first time?
Yes.
Of course it is. There is no second time. That would imply people actually find their way out. And those fortunate few actually do escape.
Are institutionalized.
Let's go.
Where are my manners? Allow me to introduce my fellow cave dwellers. This is Lucky Larry, one of the rare birds who managed to navigate his way out of the Crystal Caves.
I'm feeling
Go.
lucky. For my next adventure,
Let's go.
I'm going over the falls. Now, powder keg. So, no smoke, please. Let's not get crazy.
This is Unlucky Larry, who has been wandering these caves since shortly after they were discovered in 18...
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, say bye, Varsha. Bye bye. Okay, let's go. Niagara Falls. It's singing.
Now this is Sinatra.
Call me old blackout. Me and my boys are Ratback. We rule this joint.
And I'm Rat, vulture, scavenger, official janitor. If you get lost in the caves, don't worry, I'll find you.